All right, this is daily chart of AAPL. I got a great video update today. I'm going to be talking about Apple and the importance of a good plan and good selection in order to make big money in the market. And I'm going to demonstrate this a little bit with Apple. I've talked many times in my videos of the multiple breakpoints I had, but I'm going to talk about one breakpoint as an example of Apple. There's another breakpoint I posted on my stream. You can check that out. But in this video, we're going to check out a couple of great breakouts that happened in December that were huge winners. And you don't need a lot of picks, you need quality. And you know, Apple's a quality company, but there's a lot more other quality breakout setups than just Apple. And I want to explain this to my fellow, Apple investors. So here we go, people. Let's go to my stream. On November the 7th, this is one of the updates I sent to my, well, I posted this on the Apple board because I usually post all information about Apple on the Apple board. So let's click on this. But the structure is the same. See, we get the likes and the comments and a lot of views, 968 views. Basically, I had a plan. I always have a plan. And I described the options. I didn't say the option plans, but in this case here, but I usually do. And this was a 100% winner in about 5 days, easy. Here it is, another 100%. Yeah, I did say it over here. I just didn't say it over here. But you can press pause, read what I said. But this option trade confirmed. I posted this on StockTwits. This was based on the November the 7th close before the move. Now if we go to the charts, power trigger trade. So November the 7th was this day here on a Friday. On Monday we went pulled down, and on Tuesday we confirmed the trade around the end of the day. I remember this. And let's take a look what happened. 1, 2, 3. We hit the high of 117, right? So in theory, about 5 days, 100% gains in options. Just to show you the theme of power trigger trade, people. No one does this on StockTwits. Nobody. But power trigger trade. Let's take a look at this. ISIS was another one, but this one I posted to my chart witness followers. This was witnessed by my followers. You can check that out on my stream by the comments, because they witnessed this. I sent this to my chart witness followers. And by the way, become a chart witness follower if you like my style. But this was the plan, despite the errors and spelling errors I made here. This stock did exactly what I said, but it took about 4 days, and I'm going to show that. But look at the plan here. I said the January 55 calls. I described the break point. Don't forget that the stock was trading at 52.76. So let's take a look here. Just take a look. Press pause if you like. But let's take a look now at the charts for ISIS. ISIS. So basically, I sent that on the weekend because it was based on Friday's close, and on Monday it confirmed heavy volume. We had a pay in the 54 to 55 area like I described, and this hit a high. Look at that high, people, 65.13. You should call me the crystal ball man. Power trigger trade. 200% gains in 5 days, people. Because a small stock like this making a move like that, it's powerful. All right, now let's go back to my stream. Power trigger trade. You see, you don't need a lot of picks, you need quality picks, and that's what I do. Quality plans, and you must execute on the plans. Let me find that link. Okay, HSY, as Apple was doing not so well, I also sent this other plan. Let's take a look at this. Sometimes the internet's really slow. I could scream sometimes, but anyways, here it is. This is the plan, and I sent this. This is based on the December the 12th close. You know, Apple was kind of not doing very well then, right? But I'm always looking for plans. And this was another great option winner December. There are other ones, people, but I'm not going to talk about that all. I think that this video and this example is powerful enough. Anyways, this is what I said. Take a look at that. These January calls hit about 150% so far. HSC, and I said the breakout point. So let's take a look at this. Don't forget, this is December the 12th. So let's take a look at what happened. Power Trigger Trade. See, a lot of people don't have plans, or other people talk about breakout point, but no one there's nobody on the HSY board that posted a plan like this, or even had a plan like this. I don't think in all of StockTwits anybody had a plan like this, executed like this. Power Trigger Trade. But let's take a look at this. Look at this. So we talked about the 12th was the day the stock went lower, but then we reversed since the market reversed, and it confirmed on this day. I got in on this day. Some people got on this day because this was the confirmed point. I just waited for confirmation a little bit more, and you know, there you go, 150% in 3 days. Now, it doesn't always happen like that, but what the point of my video here is that you need a plan, you need to believe in your plan, and you need to execute the plan. And by the way, this is the new Apple update here, December the 22nd. You can check that out. These are the plans I send. This is who I am, Power Trigger Trade, developer of the Visionary Line System, breakout expert with stock options, focusing on 100-200% gain setups within a 1 to 4 week time period. Become a chart witness follower and witness strong moving stock setups. Ask me how. Everything that I said in this video is documented on my stream is 100% true, and I have exactly of course this last Apple option trade was a failure, but I mean, you know, no one really could have foresaw that. But this day here, other than that, I've batted almost practically 100%, because the only stocks that triggered are the ones that made profits. The ones that didn't trigger, we never entered, so we didn't make money. So believe me when I tell you, my system is about 80% correct. Most traders talk about 50-50. It's baloney. Follow me for great advice and you'll see that I bat so much higher because of my rules and strategic pickings. It's visionary what I do, called the Visionary Line System. It's chart patterns, it's candlesticks, it's volume, it's experience. And believe me when I tell you, my system is powerful because it's about selecting the best of the best. That's why Apple is on the list, people, Apple investors. So follow me for more great advice. If you're seeing this video, don't take lightly. You have nothing to lose to follow the best. Power Trigger Trade, people. Follow me for great advice. Don't forget to like the video. Thanks for listening. Like the video.